Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this 5 surprise A-Lotl Axolotls mystery capsule that was sent to me from Treasures Toys. There are 15 axolotls to collect and each capsule has 5 surprises, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside the first mystery bag is some bright pink kinetic sand. The sand is super soft and satisfying to play with. The next thing I got is this colourful holographic axolotl sticker. Inside the next mystery bag is an adorable pink axolotl with rainbow frills. It has opposable head, arms and legs. The name of this cute character is PainterL. Inside the last mystery bag are 2 accessories, a painter's hat and a tiny paintbrush. There's also a colourful collector's guide included, showing all 15 axolotls in the series, each with their own unique look, name and accessories. So that's everything inside this capsule. I had lots of fun opening it up and discovering all the surprises inside. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!